Hi, this video is showing on how to connect LAN printer. The power supply components are separately by two. You will need to connect the power supply cable with adapter. Then, the small head pin connect to the first left side of the back of printer. Open the printer case. Place the 8 cm width paper roll into printer correctly like this. And you may close printer case. Now you can take out the modem to connect the LAN cable with printer. You can choose any port of the modem right here. And plug in another side of LAN cable to the third from left of the back of printer. After that, connect the power supply cable and you may start to use it. Thanks for watching.